Italian sausages with peppers and potatoes. This is one of my papa's favorites. This is what we'll be preparing today. Ciao everybody, Caterina here. Welcome to my home. Today I'm going to be preparing Italian sausages with peppers and potatoes. This recipe is a staple in the Italian kitchen. Now let's get started. For this recipe I'm using 6 Italian hot sausages and 6 Italian mild sausages. I parboiled the sausages for 6 minutes. Transfer them to my paper towel. Slice the sausages in bite size by adding a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1 chopped sweet onion, a little bit of kosher salt to help it sweat. We're just going to allow the onions to saute for a few minutes. The heat a little bit because I want the sausages to brown. I parboiled 2 cups of small potatoes and I sliced them in half. Now I'm going to add them to my sausages. I'm right back in my sweet papa's kitchen. My sweet papa used to prepare this dish at least once a week. Sliced 2 green peppers, 2 red peppers, and 2 yellow peppers, julienne style. Oh, so beautiful. Lowering the heat to medium, and I'm just going to allow this all to cook together for a minimum of 15 minutes until everything is nice and wilty. I'm adding 2 garlic cloves, add them whole, and then I'm going to remove them. I'm going to keep my stove at medium to low, and I'm going to add 4 cups of passata. Don't want to waste any of this wonderful passata, so I added some purified water. Things done. Now we're just going to allow it to cook for half an hour. Every 10 minutes I'm just going to give it a little mix, and I'm going to say it, if you can only smell my kitchen. I tasted it does need a little bit of salt, black pepper, some fresh basil. I can't wait to dig into this. I'm going to be serving this marvelous dish family style. This way you can just help yourself as much as you like. I'm going to taste it for you. Oh my goodness. Perfect. Absolutely delicious. I want to thank you so much for joining me today, and it's Caterina from my home to yours. Don't forget to hit your like button, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel and share my recipes. Ciao.